Hello, welcome to Testing with RK. In this session, we will be discussing how to download and configure Visual Studio Editor on your machine. To download a Visual Studio, you have to go to their official website. So it is Visual Studio Download. Now, before you install the Visual Studio, I would like to give a little bit of information about what is Community, what is Professional, and what is Enterprise editions. Basically, Community is a full free version. There is not much difference between Community and Professional version. The Community is absolutely free, but it does comes with some restriction, which we will discuss now. So if we compare the Visual Studio Community, which is a free version, and Visual Studio Professional, you will find that there isn't much difference apart from whom it is allowed for. Basically, Community Edition is available for free for individual developers, classroom learning, academic research, contributing to open source project, and non-enterprise organization up to 5 users. So that's basically a small businesses where they don't have more than 5 developers on in the organization, and they can use Visual Studio Community to build their applications. Because because you guys are using the editor for learning purposes, it's absolutely free for you guys to use it. And as you will see, I won't be talking much about all these features, but I just want you to show that a Visual Studio Community Edition is very much just like Professional version. There isn't much difference, as you can see, apart from the code lens. All the other features are pretty much there. Code metric, graphic debugging, code analysis, performance, unit testing, remote, pretty straightforward. The Visual Studio Editor is known for its ecosystem. It's one of the most powerful and intuitive editor, and as you will see when you're learning C# on it, it is so with the features like IntelliSense, where it will auto suggest what code should be. It's brilliant, it's fantastic. So to download, if you go back there and free download, it will know what version I have. So if I okay, sorry, so the download is here. So I've got the installer here. Double tap on it and it will open up the installer. Continue. On the installer, it's taking a bit of time, bear with me please. Okay, there we are. So on this, what we are going to do is that we will be selecting there. So either we can, so basically a Visual Studio comes with loads of features packed in it, but we can choose what features we want. This makes sure that the application that you are installing on your machine is not too big and doesn't take much of your memory size, your disk space. So what we will be doing is we will go with ASP.NET and web development and .NET desktop development. These two are sufficient for us to learn, practice the C# basic, and then hit install. I already have Visual Studio installed on my machine, so I won't be installing it. But once you hit install, it will install the Visual Studio Editor, and once that is installed, when you look up for Visual Studio 2019, it should open up with this interface. In the next session, we will learn more about how to create solution and projects within it, and we will be starting with our very first console application. Thank you very much for this session. I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.